Guys, welcome back to the channel if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. Today, me and my husband are going over to another apartment in our building to finish cleaning. I have before and after pictures of this apartment, and I watched hoarders, but I never knew like a person that would actually live like that until I went into this apartment. Now, the before pictures are very drastic. They're very disturbing. Like we did not know she was living like this. She's was a fairly young girl, and to each his own about what happens behind closed doors. That's not our issue. But when we have to go and clean over there, it becomes a whole other issue. Now, I even had to text her and ask her, because she had 2 cats, if I was going to find her cat dead underneath these piles of garbage, because it was so extremely bad. I'm going to insert the pictures in now, and I will be back.
This is how I have to go in here. Fall asleep. Gotta go to sleep. This is why. Yeah, hold on. You can come in, it doesn't really smell anymore.
I'm not going in there. Yeah, it's already on video.
Yeah, well, I got one going, so stop it. And then we move on to the living room. I can't even pan back far enough. Cat shit. And the bedroom. There's cat shit everywhere. Oh, there it is. Cat shit. Big old fucking mound of it. Fucking disgusting.
In the other pictures, this is what it looks like now with everything out. Like, what a big difference. We're just washing the floors now and painting the walls, but what a difference. This was the bedroom and everything. Like, unbelievable. Like, if you just do a little bit of cleaning, even if it's a little each day, whether you're depressed or like tired, you won't let your house get to look like she let this apartment look like. I mean, it's not a bad apartment. I mean, yeah, we're in one of the worst cities in Rhode Island, but like, we didn't start this room yet, obviously, but getting all the trash out and like having to put a new fridge in, put a new stove in. My husband's redoing the bathroom, and it just looks 100 times better. Like, the state that she left the fridge was horrific, and just having wall to wall cat piss and shit. I have a lot of cats, and you can't tell when you walk in my house that I even have one. I mean, it was wall to wall cat shit. Like, we had to leave the windows open for 3 weeks. And my husband had to put on hazmat suits to come in here the first 2 weeks. That's how bad it was.